bring me the visitor who has been single the longest, whatever the reason may be. Bisilang single, pinakamatagal. Pinakamatagal. Ma'am, okay, ilang taon na po kayong single? 14 sakit. Dito. 49 years, wala kagad nakapamana. Sir, thank you so much. Iiwan ko siyang muna kanina, 49. Sir, since birth. Sir, what's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Yeah, Joe? From what country, Joe? America. So, you know her or no idea about this girl? No idea? First time? First time to see this girl?
Yes.
She is a Filipina. From Philippines. He is Joe from America. Your name is? Your name is? Ma'am, sabihin mo! Sino ka? Ikaw si? Marjorie. You think Joe is perfect for you tonight? Wait lang! Ate! Huwag mo pigilan ang sarili mo. 49 ka na. 1 year na lang. Mag-golden ka na rin. Joe, akyat ka. Ang pogi mo, sir. Napaka-pogi mo, sir. Tanungin kita, sir. Describe mo. Hindi kasi hindi lahat ng lalaki pare-pareho ang taste. May ibang lalaki gusto ng medyo young-young. May iba na medyo gusto ng legendary. Silay, Marjorie, pamatian ta, ano ba ang mga tipo mo sa babae, Joe? You understand me? You understand me or you need to... Okay, I need translator. Wait lang. O sige, ang bal sa iya, may i-describe niya ang babae na gusto niya. Go.
Joe.
You can do it. 1, 2, 3, and Joe.
Joe, what type of girl do you like?
What type of girl do you like? Joe? What is, thank you so much, sir. That's 100 pesos already. What is your type? Una, for a while, mamati kita. Joe, what's your type? You like?
A girl that's wearing black.
Dami naman. A girl that's wearing black. Okay. Pasok ka doon, Marjorie. Pasok ka doon. Okay, second, Joe. You like girls na?
Sexy.
Ikot, Marjorie, ikot. Ikot. And the last one. You like girls na?
I like girls that is 49 years old.
Marjorie, tandaan mo, ang sarap mabuhay. Lalo na kung meron kang jowa. Wait lang. Marge, umamin ka. Yung totoo, sa edad mong yan, kinikilig ka ba? Yes or no?
Nasa
Si Maria! Sige. How about just a simple dance yes, then we will give you the prize. Joe, you ask her if she wanted to dance with you. Here we go. Go, sir.
Nakakaintindi ng mga Tagalog ko. Sige. Sige.
Walang yaka nagtatagalog. Ito yung pag-aalag mo pa na siya. Okay. What do you want to say? Closer so that you will hear each other. You ask her.
Marjorie. Can I dance with you?
Ang sagot mo, Marjorie, ay? Music for the two. Parang Daniel Manila! Parang Daniel! Wait lang, wait, Joe! Joe! You should hawak mo ang... Eto na yung song. Matutulog na kayo ni Joe. Ano ang message mo sa kanya bago kayo bumaba ng stage? Yung sweet ha. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Thank you for the love, Joe. 2 minutes lang kayo dito. Thank you for the love, Joe. Joe, anong sasagot mo? Thank you for the love. Your message is... Wait lang. Iyon ko to. Ikaw naman, Marjorie, pinapatay mo yung mic ko. Okay. Again, sabihin mo ulit, Joe. Go. Sabihin mo ulit, go.
Sorry.
Joe, thank you for this moment. Wait, kung kailan pa ng 49, doon pa lumandi eh. Ang sagot, your answer is, thank you for the love, Joe daw.
Thank you for the 500.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Joe. Bakit parang mas nag-enjoy kayo sa mga ganyan? Alright, we're about to show to you the wrap-up of this evening's celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we would like to ask our Maria to join us here at the center.